Hi, I'm Hank Woodward. I'm the owner of Ceramic Pro Daytona Elite Dealer, and I wanted to walk you through a couple of the different options that we have for protecting your vehicle. So, some of the most popular ones are going to be ceramic coating, paint protection film, you've got traditional waxes, and then detailing. So which one's right for you? Paint protection film is going to be your highest level of protection. A couple different ways that you can do this, and normally people mix and match a couple different protection options when you're going for what's best for you, right? So paint protection film is going to be your highest level of protection. So high impact areas like the front bumper, the hood, the fenders, the mirrors, paint protection film is going to be the only thing that's going to stop rock chips. It's also going to give you the highest level of abrasion and chemical resistance, and by far is the best protection that you can put on your vehicle. We do have full vehicle packages where people are doing full vehicle paint protection film, whether it's in gloss, whether it's in matte film, whether it's in color change PPF film, which is now becoming really, really popular. Something like these films right here where, you're starting to get into a little bit of the restyling, color change aspects of it that you would normally get with vinyl, where vinyl doesn't really have those protection qualities that paint protection film does. One of our most popular services is called an Ultimate Armor package. So what this is, it's for somebody who has a daily driven vehicle who doesn't need a full body paint protection film, right? It gets really expensive when it's a full body, especially if you plan on keeping your vehicle for 5, 6, 7 years, you're not taking it to the track. Ultimate Armor might be the right thing for you, where you combine paint protection film with a lifetime coating, or you could even go down and do a front bumper paint protection film with a ceramic coating. When you move into some of these other protection services that you can get, something like Bead Maker right here, which is kind of your traditional spray wax or a ceramic detail spray. Great option. It's a budget option, but really it's going to last anywhere from a month to 3 months, depending on where your vehicle is, how you keep it, how you maintain it, and then reapplication is necessary every 3 to 4 months. And then when you get into detailing is more of a getting your vehicle clean rather than protecting it, right? So it's a great service for bringing that vehicle back to life, whether it's paint correction, just a traditional wash, whatever it is. It's going to bring that vehicle back, and then from there you can apply a protection to it. So we actually do detailing as far as paint correction, but it's not just for the detailing aspect of it. It's more for getting it ready to apply some sort of paint protection film or a ceramic coating. When you get into ceramic coatings, you have a couple different options, and it really varies on how long you want to keep the car, whether it's 2 years, 5 years, 7 years, lifetime. Those are some of the options that they have out there, and it's a better budget friendly option where PPF lasts 12 years, where maybe I'm leasing my car for 2 years, I want it to look good, maybe I go with a 2-year coating. So really it's about what works best for you. And if you come down to Ceramic Pro Daytona, one of our experts here will go over all the options with you and help get you a personalized quote that works best for you. Look forward to seeing you.